ready to transform your colorful creations into stunning black and white masterpieces. First, import your color image into Adobe Illustrator. Go to File, then Place, and select your desired image. Now select the image. Next, navigate to the Edit menu and go to Edit Colors. In the Edit Colors submenu, click Convert to Grayscale. This will immediately convert your image to black and white. Notice that your image is now grayscale. You can adjust the grayscale values using the color panel. This is usually found on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, go to Window and then Color. By adjusting the K slider, you can deepen the blacks, lighten the whites, and fine-tune the contrast to achieve your desired monochromatic look. Experiment with subtle adjustments to get the perfect balance. Converting to grayscale isn't just for photos. You can use the same process for vector graphics too, giving your logos and illustrations a classic, timeless feel. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to convert images to grayscale in Adobe Illustrator and customize the tones. Subscribe for more quick tips and design tutorials.